Hello, hi all. Just we are today we are going to see this Google Colab free open source that we can run our LLMs here inside Google Colab. So once we entered Google Colab, we can see new notebook here. So we need to click on this new notebook to run our LLM inside this machine. So we are going to change this name locally. Okay, then right side we can see here connect and one small arrow. So here we can see this runtime. So we can change this runtime. By default it's selected to CPU, but we are going it to change with GPU. Once we change it to the GPU, T for GPU, then we selected latest recommended and click on save. So it's a hardware accelerator that's we required actually. Connect, then we need to click on connect. If within 10 to 15 seconds it is going to connect us to the GPU, so we can use the GPU to run the local LLMs without having any physical GPU with us. It's a free. If you want, you have a premium, you can pay and you can get more GPUs. So we can see here the total RAM, system RAM 12 GB they given, GPU RAM they given 15 GB. It's very good. For free of sorts it is very good actually. For storage 112 GB, it's more than enough to run local LLMs. So now we are going to enter some commands. These are useful for full interactive Linux terminal within a Google Colab notebook, particularly useful for free tier users who don't have access to the built-in terminal. So the first command is pip install colab-xterm. This is going to install the colab-xterm library, which provides a TTY compatible terminal. So we will run this command. Okay, it's going to download the xterm library. Yeah, it's done successfully. So the second command is we are going to load this extension which we already downloaded on the first colab-xterm. So this we are loading it into the notebook extensions by using this command. Yes, it's done successfully. Then we have third command is percentage of xterm. So this opens an interactive terminal window directly inside a notebook shell without allowing you to run commands like ls stop or stop in real time. Cool. So we entered into the terminal. So by default there is only one folder by typing this ls. So now we will install one more thing called screen. So this is Linux utilities within this terminal. So we are going to download these things. And also it is useful for persisting the sessions if we run long process in the background that keep going to run if you accidentally close the browser or lose the internet connection also. So these two commands are mainly useful. So this Z standard is a high performance compression tool. Speed, it is much faster than a standard zip or gzip. So in the second terminal we launched a second. So we have installed screen successfully and we launched the terminal. So we entered the terminal here, just scroll up. Okay, now we will clear these things and we will type Ollama list. Okay, I will scroll up Ollama list. So no command found. Okay, we will try to check with version number first. Okay, no version found. Okay, we didn't install yet Ollama, so we will go to download. So we will copy the Linux command called curl. So this is going to install the Ollama inside our machine. So we will paste it here and click on enter. So it's going to download Ollama into local. Sorry, not in local, it is going to download in our Google provided VPS. So now we will check the Ollama version. Yeah, cool. It's 22.10.22.1. Cool. We installed Ollama. Now we need to pull the LLM models, I think. Yes, Ollama list is going to show that. Okay, first we need to run Ollama server. Okay, we will run Ollama SERVE. So it's successfully Ollama server running up. And now we will see bottom terminal. So we will click on this terminal and we are going to open new terminal. Inside this we are going to launch the Ollama models. So we will check with some models like one. Okay, we will select here one model based on our needs, but I want to go with the different model. So we will select here any. Okay, here E4B is a good choice, I thought. Yeah, E4B we will select here. So okay, we will pull that model. Llama pulls the model name which we have copied. We need to remove these extra things after copying. Cool, now we will enter. Yeah, it's going to pull the model. Done. It is going to verify this. It's a SHA key. It's going to verify whether it is correct or not. It's shown us success. Then we will start this. First of all, we will see this list. Cool, we have already successfully downloaded this local. So we will run this LLM inside this machine. Llama run the model name which we have. Again, these extra things came into this. I will remove these extra things. Click on enter. Yep, it is going to up. Right side we are running the terminal, left side the server is running. Cool, it is. You can ask now questions, it is going to answer. We don't have any physical GPU here, we don't have any physical computer. Google is providing us a free things, so we can use it from Google Colab. So we can say I will ask some more questions here. So it's going to think very large. Yep, it's working very speed. I hope it's per second it's going to take nearly 400 tokens per second. So we can see that total 9 GB of RAM it is utilizing out of 15 GB. Cool. We can see this is given answer very clearly. It is explaining each and everything. It's giving step by step points to understand how to crack that. We'll ask different question now. I've asked a simple question, who is the PM of India? So it is going to think too much, but it's given Narendra Modi. Cool. So in my next video I will going to tell that how do we link this GPU power. So whichever we are using Ollama here, so we will link this Ollama as an API to our application backend, likely in our Visual Studio Code. Like we will use some agent in VS Code and we will going to connect VS Code backend as this server like Ollama which we are running in this notebook. So in that way we can use some coding examples in our VS Code by using this GPU inside our Google Colab. So don't miss that video. I'm going to provide that video too. So to set up the connections between these Google Colab and VS Code using an API. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. I will provide more videos regarding this Google Colab.